freelance illustrator. Maybe it's
I hope she's gonna bring me good luck. I'll let her go now. Hi, my name is Roberta and welcome back to my channel, or welcome. Today is day 11 of my self-improving challenge. Because I'm an aspiring illustrator, what we are going to do today is brainstorming different project idea, different illustrative project. So without any further ado, let's start the video. The reason why I want to do different projects is because I want to build my portfolio, and to me it's better if I have different projects instead of like different illustration, but general illustration that are not correlated with one another. I want to demonstrate to the client that I can do stuff. I don't know how to do it. That's why I want to work on project. Finished brainstorming some ideas. I write down 9 different ideas. They are all related to culture and folklore and nature, because those are the things that I like. The one that I'm thinking about the most is the first one, which is making card with different traditional clothing, because I really love traditional garments, and I have different sub ideas. Each card has a different clothing, one for each nation, and in the front of the card you have an illustration of the character who is wearing the clothing with the name of the clothing, and in the back an explanation of the garment and where it came from with the name of the nation. In the second type of card, the cards are from the same culture, same nation, but different time period. I was specifically thinking about Chinese culture and harmful, because Chinese culture is very vast and okay, listen. At the beginning I was thinking about same culture but different period of time, but because China is so vast, I could also do same culture but different ethnicity, because they have different culture in reality, but they are all Chinese. I have to write this idea down. Same thing on the front of the card, the character with the clothing, and at the back, at this point, the explanation of what the garment is and the ethnic group. But before this idea, there was the the second one, the original second one, which was same culture, different period of time, or maybe even different piece of the garment with a transparent card, so you can layer it and create the full dress. I have a book about traditional Japanese costume, and in the book they told you about every single piece of garment, so that's how the idea came to my mind. For example, if you are talking about Japanese costume, then one card has the hyoku, another card has the nagajiban, another one can have the obi, and you can layer them one on top of the other to create the final result. And maybe I can make the part of the card where there is the illustration transparent, and under it a white section, so I can write what the garment is and how is it used. I do like this idea a lot. So to recap those ideas, the first one is cards with different clothing from different nations. Second idea, cards with same culture but different time period. Third idea, same culture, same place, same nation, but different ethnicity. Fourth idea, same culture with transparent card, and each card has different pieces. I think they are all really interesting. The most basic one is the first one for each nation. But, it's still very interesting. I think I will enjoy doing every single one, so let me know which one do you prefer. I'm curious. This is the project I think inspires me the most, but I also have different idea. The second one is a memory game with different flower. Third one is an illustrated tale. I recently bought 2 books when I went to Edinburgh. They are about spooky tales or Celtic tales. Both are really fascinating, so I will be really happy to illustrate one of these tales. Next one is an illustrated map. I think useful both for board game and for books. The next one was to create cards similar to Dixit, but each card represents a different emotion. And yet again, I have a book that inspires this idea. It's called Atlas of Human Emotion, and you can find all different type of emotions from all over the world. Because, sometimes there are some words that exist, but we cannot translate because they represent a specific thing that culture wanted to explain. Again, it's all about culture or nature. I'm sorry, but I'm really passionate about this. Next one is to redesign a popular board game in illustration portfolio. It's quite normal to redesign, for example, book covers so the client can see what's your style is. And I want to do something similar but with board game. Next is card with the letter of the alphabet, and each card has an illustration of an animal whose name starts with the letter of the card. Does it make any sense? I'm sorry, I don't know how to explain it, but basically if there is the card D, then there is an illustration of, for example, a dolphin. That's the whole thing. Those type of products are really popular for children to help them learn new words, in this case, new animals. And the last one was to create a character. In my case, I was thinking about a witch with her potions and her animal friends, because I think that it can help me showcase how I can create item and props for character, because there are a lot of board games where you have props. And that's about it. Those were all my ideas for my future project. I still think the first one will be about traditional clothing, but let me know in the comment section if you want me to do something else first. I'm really curious. I will probably start those projects when I'm finished this challenge, because right now I don't have time to do that, but you will see it in the future. Stay tuned. And that's about it for this video. I hope you like it, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye! I want to be honest with you. I feel really unmotivated and uninspired today. I think the hot temperature and my low pressure are not helping, but I just want to stay in bed all day and do nothing, or just passive things like, I don't know, playing video games all day. I'm just so tired. Before filming, I was doing something creative, but the only reason why I was doing it was because I didn't want to film, and even thinking about filming and editing made me anxious, and I didn't want to do it, so I started doing something else. But because I knew that I was just procrastinating, I didn't have fun, I didn't enjoy doing it. In the back of my mind, I was just telling myself the only reason you're doing it is because you don't want to film, but you need to film. And it's so draining. I know that the whole point of my challenge is not to make video, it's just to do simple thing. I just want to document it. But because I'm filming, I want every video to be, good enough. And the problem is that I'm trying to make them better with editing, but I know that the videos make sense in the challenge, but on itself, every video is not that great. Because I'm not doing that much, I'm just doing one simple thing. And I don't know how to make it more interesting. I don't know, I'm just really tired. And I wish I could do video that represents more. And I wish I could do quickly what I want to do. Video that represent me more and take more time and have something more impactful to say. I don't know if it's the right word. I think I'm not really saying that much in my video. And I know it's not the point, but still I care about my video. So I don't really like the content of the video. I just don't want to film it anymore, which is a shame because I do enjoy filming and editing. I just have to remind myself that the video are not the point. But it's not easy, you know? I'm quite disappointed, honestly, in myself. I know it was going to happen, that motivation didn't last that much, didn't last that long. I just hope that this burnout phase will not last longer. Just one day, it's fine. I can do it, I can manage. But I hope that tomorrow I'll be in a better mood. It sucks. It's so different from yesterday, right? But there are also days like this. Also, I do expect it to happen around this time. Because usually motivations last for 2 weeks. And it's almost 2 weeks. So I did expect it to happen. But still, sucks. So